Yeah, I be where the bosses be, judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy.
Welcome to the dollhouse.
Hey dolls, it's thejaymonet. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have a great video for you guys. I have this alipearl icy white blonde hair that I'm going to install for you guys. It is a bob unit. I toned this to be an icy white. It is kind of uneven toning because it was my first time toning wigs. I love how the color turned out overall, so I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig. It's looking crazy right now, but when we install it and get it all together, it's gonna look so cute. Stay tuned if you want to see how I install this wig. This wig does have one comb at the back, two combs on the side, and then I installed an elastic band so you can make this glueless, but I don't wear it glueless, I wear it glued down. And also I put my makeup color, my makeup powder on the lace to make it blend with my skin. I did not bleach the knots. And it's blonde hair, so you don't really need to bleach the knots. It was a straight wig. The way I got it to be this wavy pattern, I will show you guys in the install, but it was a straight wig when I got it. The lace is really thin, so that's really good. This is some thick hair. For 150 density, is very thick. So I'm just gonna put this wig on now so you guys can see how it looks. The lace is already cut because I've worn this wig before. This is how it's looking right now. So it's looking pretty crazy. But of course we got some work to do, so I'll show you guys how I butter this baby up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wet this hair. So I'm not gonna do the bald cap method only because this is a short-term wig. I'm just putting it on. I'm gonna push my wig cap back just a little bit. I'm going in with my Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray it all across my hairline. Okay, so while that dries, I'm gonna spray my hair again with water. Again, this hair is not naturally wavy. It's straight hair, and so I make it wavy by scrunching my hair up like this. I'm gonna spray a little more water and scrunch. It's gonna just scrunch it all the way up. And then once you kind of find how you like it, I don't know if I like the side part or the middle part better. If I end up switching it, y'all will see. But I'm gonna take my Smooth and Shine Hydrating Setting Mousse and I'm going to put that on my hair. I'm just gonna run it through my hair first. And then again, scrunch it upwards. Just like that. Okay, it might be giving a side part today. Okay, so after that, I think this set long enough, so I'm just gonna take this off. Oh, my little makeup came off a little bit, but that's okay though, because we gonna blend that in at the end. Since I still have a little bit of got to be like on my hair, I'm not really gonna use anything on my baby hairs but a brush and maybe a comb and just swoop them bad boys. I don't really like a lot of baby hairs. I kind of like that natural baby hair look. So I'm just gonna see how my baby hairs are naturally swooping now without me cutting them, just so I can see how I'm gonna want them. I'm gonna go get a makeup remover to remove the makeup off my baby hairs because they're supposed to be white, not brown. And I kind of swoop up my baby hairs and see how I want them to be. So I'm gonna give it about a good 10 minutes and I'll be back with the finished results. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this wavy, icy girl bomb bot from alipearl. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. I hope to bring you guys some more hair install videos, so be on the lookout for that by hitting that notification bell where the subscribe button is. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye, dolls.
Choose your fighter. Fight.